Benny from 782 Motors, classics, lowriders and muscle cars. This time we're going to show you this HK Monaro. This car started life as a base model Monaro and the owner bought it 15 years ago to build what he wanted. He's built it to be an iconic silver black trim GDS Monaro. It's running a 383 stroker. He rebuilt that engine about 4 years ago, hitting about 500 horsepower on the flywheel. It's got a built turbo 350, a 9-inch in the back, four-wheel disc brakes all round, Caltracs. It's rock and roll, man. He's an Aussie icon. The social media and the internet and the phone's already blowing up on this car with people knowing it's coming. Goes to auction June the 4th. Check it out on the website, www.782motors.com.au.